Tonight we're going to have Mountain House's biscuits and gravy, buttermilk biscuits with gravy, and pork patty crumbles. See how this compares to the Peak Refuel that I had yesterday. One thing I noticed is that the biscuits here are crumbles, so I am going to presume that they rehydrated much better than the Peak Refuels, which were crunchy even at the end of the meal. They were about the last thing I ate. No, they're definitely more hydrated. They're not crunchy, at least not in that bite. The gravy is thicker. More what I would expect from biscuits and gravy. It's not as peppery. The flavor's kind of bland. There's a little bit of pepper. Overall, I like the flavor of the Peak Refuel better. But I have to say, I would, if I were going to choose one or the other, I would choose the Mountain House. The pork is rehydrated, it's not crunchy. The pork in the Peak Refuel stayed crunchy pretty much throughout the whole meal. And the biscuits are much more hydrated. So, flavor-wise, I give it to Peak Refuel, but just as a general meal, I think Mountain House has it down here. The gravy is not runny, and the biscuits and sausage have rehydrated well. And the flavor, the flavor is really what I would expect out of biscuits and gravy. So, yeah, I would go with Mountain House over Peak Refuel. Definitely. I will be eating this again.